Hello everyone. Today I will show you one flow. So the picture is we have this custom object and we have entities of this object. So, but there are no actually way to uh, remove many of them at once. Yeah, you can like remove them one by one, but it's very boring. And if you want to like remove all of them at once, all selected guys, you actually have no way. Of course, you can, there is a way you can install some package that will do it for you, but this is not our way to install packages that do your job. We are professionals. We need to look under the hood and try to make it ourselves. All right, so what we should do, we will create here an additional button that will do this delete of selected records. And to do so, we first will need to create the flow. That's why I have this tab with flows opened. Let's create a new flow. It will be screen flow. So first I need to know what elements, what records to remove. To do so, I will create new variable of type text, and this is a very important part. We need to call it IDs and nothing else. Oh, text template variable IDs. Data type should be text. Allow multiple values, so it will contain multiple IDs of our custom records, and it should be available for input. Done. Next, I will create the screen. Let's just keep here one button. Let's call it confirm. Confirmation screen. And here I want to configure the footer. Use custom label. I'm good to go with the finish. Just let's remove previous button and pause button, and let's add here some additional hint. Display text. Display text. Remove text. This is not very important, really important. Are you sure? Remove records. Are you sure? And let's actually call this button to make it even more obvious. Let's call it, use custom label, delete. Good. And here I'll change this wording to also delete. Done. So now we have this initial screen. Next, we want to first fetch those records by their IDs. Get section. So my custom object is called user section. I'll simply call it get sections. Object user section setting. Field ID, record ID in those IDs. That's it. And here we need to mark it to return all records. And That's it. One more block here to delete records, delete sections, use IDs. And yeah, we're going to delete records which are returned by previous block. That's it. Our flow is ready. Save, delete selected sections. Save, and do not forget to activate this flow. So now we have a guy who will actually do the job. And now we need to create this additional button. To do so, we will, so for instance, we will go to the custom user setting record, edit object, buttons and links. We need to pick here new button or link, not new action. New button or link. I don't know why this part is loading so slowly, but this is how it works. I can sip my coffee. Oh, it's still loading. Amazing performance. All right, we have it. And let's call this button delete selected. Here we need to choose list button, and we'll left the everything here as it is, and we'll keep like content source URL. Now it's also a very important part. We need to say what will happen by clicking to this button. So this part is constant, and we need to only insert here flow name. So what's our flow name actually is? I don't remember. Yeah, we need to use API name. Our flow name, and here we need to put the URL that will be redirected to after our delete of selected records. And that's it. That's it. All right. Save. Okay, and only one small piece of work is left. We need to put this record, this button to the screen. To do so, we will open list view buttons layout, edit, and here we are. Here our new guy. We just shifted to the selected buttons, save. I hope it will work. All right, let's refresh our page. And yeah, we have this new button here, delete selected. Just let's try how it works. Let's select two records. So we have now 8. I have selected 2, and I'm going to click delete selected. No, it's not found, or it doesn't have active version. Let's conduct investigation. So we have this flow here. Let's open. Okay, this is the proper API name. So that like API name before was the API name of block. We need to use this name. All right. I didn't expect that it will work on the first try, but I already know what to do. I just need to change our file name here, and it will definitely work now. Okay, second attempt. I'm selecting 2 records. We have 8. Delete selected. Are you sure? Yes. I'm a little bit hesitating, but I'm sure. Delete. And I'm navigating back to our list with 6 records. Yahoo! We did it. So now you know how it works, and you can easily add same functionality for your custom records if your Salesforce users are asking you to do so. Thank you very much for attention, and please click thumb up if you like this video. Goodbye.